Hey there, do you need help to withdraw money from site like this? Then keep watching this video. You will understand how to withdraw money from site like this. Before we get started, let's see something.
Okay, this is one of those sites, opmoney.site. You can see my name Rajiv Ras. I have earned $178 from this site. How to earn money? Just click this button, start watching paid ads. It will take you here. Then all you have to do is just input the number provided here, like 7463, enter, 3462, enter. Now, whenever you input this number, this ad will automatically change. You don't have to watch this ad. And look here, when I input number, how it goes changed. Let's see how. 2119, oops, 3271. What the heck? It seems like earning is very easy, but is that true? Let's compare. There are so many PTC sites like this, ojowat.com, newbucks.com. This is one of the oldest sites. They pay for viewing advertisement. If I go to their advertisement section, you can see they only pay $0.001 for a advertisement. So if a old site like this pays just you $0.001, I don't know how they pay this kind of big amount within a short time. Just think about this. Look over their domain name. It's not HTTPS, and a site without HTTPS is not secure. You can lose your information here. So if a site can pay you that much money, so why they don't have any SSL certificate? Why they don't carry this kind of extra money for their website? It's a great point. As another thing, site without SSL certificate is very dangerous for you and lose all of your information here. Let's withdraw money. Here I have made $178. Before earning this, they said to withdraw money I have to earn at least $150. Then I did that, and now they are saying I have to make at least 40 referrals or I have to buy referrals. If I need to buy referrals, then why don't they deduct this money from my main account? Why I need to pay extra amount for this? One of my friends already made 40 referrals anyhow. Then this site is saying that you have to wait 60 days at least to withdraw money, or you have to prove your verification by sending us $10. So what do you think? Is that gonna pay you? Never ever. No matter whatever you do, it will keep telling you you have to do this step. You will think, I have made huge money. So what's the problem if I can withdraw this money by $10? This is the main point of a scammer. Be careful. If you go to their support section, they don't have any kind of mobile number, email address, their location, or any kind of information. This is my name, Rajiv Ras. I made a comment here that please made a comment. And you can see another comment here. Now, let's log out from this section. Click log out. Okay. Go to the support section again. Now I can see my comment section. Okay, let's do another thing. I have installed a VPN. Let's connect it. Okay, let's refresh this page. I don't need to refresh it. You can see here, already my comment is invisible. I mean, all this stuff, all this comment, all this good review is just made by those scammers to motivate you to register here, to waste your time, to earn from you. That's all. It's just a scam site. Let's see another point. Let's make another window. Let's connect our VPN. Connected. Let's paste the Open Money site. You can see this is Open Money site. Open Money site. Click enter. Okay, let's see. I have entered Open Money site, but it goes to abomoney.bit. They have thousands of domains like this: Oja Money, Oppo Money, Ipe Money, Apa Money, Ira Money, blah 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 blah. So let's compare something. What's the difference between this site? They have same logo. Join us. OpenMoney.site is a effective solution. Oja Money site is an effective solution. If a domain is blocked from a country, they need to open another domain. That's the main reason. There are bunch of ways to earn from internet. Okay, you have to be more patient. You have to gain knowledge or learn something to earn from internet. You can open account in Fiverr, freelancing site, or so. Don't waste your time here. I hope you got my point. Thank you for watching, and if you like my tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys.
Walk with me.